Hello everyone, welcome to Adhithya Samayal. Today we are going to see how to make Shaki Tukda. It's very simple and tasty recipe. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, heat half liter of milk. We have to prepare a kind of condensed milk. To do that, we have to keep on stirring. In a bowl, to prepare sugar syrup, add half cup of sugar and add quarter cup of water. In the other side, we are heating a pan with some oil to fry the bread pieces. You can see my bread pieces now. You can make any shapes you like. Once the oil is ready, fry the bread pieces. Take them out when it turns to golden brown. Now add milk which has saffron into the bowl where we prepare the condensed milk. Mix it well. Now you can see the consistency of the sugar syrup. It should be like a thin line when you do this. Now the sugar syrup is ready. In the sugar syrup, you have to soak all the fried bread pieces. Keep all the soaked pieces into a bowl so that you can add all the things easily. I am adding all the nuts which are broken in some level, but not completely. Blend them well. Now the rabdi is ready. Now pour the milk all over the bread pieces like I do and keep in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I take out from the refrigerator. Now the creamy and mouth-watering Shaki Tukda is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.